Good morning, students. Last time we had started with conjunctions, right? Conjunctions, and we had finished up to lesson 15. We had finished up to point E, right? Conjunctions used in pairs, that is correlative conjunctions. So let us study that further. Some conjunctions convey their full sense only when they are used in pairs. They are often called correlative conjunctions. Some of the correlative conjunctions are coordinating while some of them are subordinating. When we use a correlative conjunction, its two parts are placed immediately before the words to be connected. Right? He not only stole my purse but my books also. This is wrong. He not only stole my purse but also my books. It should be there. Right? He stole not only my purse but my books also. That is a correct one. So, important correlative conjunctions are discussed below. Either or. Either you should return the book or pay its price. We could catch the movie either on the video or in the hall. We could watch the movie either in the video or in the hall. Neither nor. I am neither a fool nor a rogue. They neither pay the rent nor vacate the house. Although, yeah, though, right? Although or though can be used both at one place. The meaning goes the same, right? Although India has rich resources, yet it is poor. Although she belongs to a rich family, yet she is miserly. Rich family, miserly. Miserly matlab कंजूस है. Okay. Then these days it is preferred to use either although or yet instead of using the two of them together. That is, although India has rich resources, it is poor. India has rich resources, yet it is poor. Any one of them is used nowadays, right? Both and. She is both intelligent and hardworking. The thief was both fined and imprisoned. Such land as is described in this book as does not exist anywhere. He is not such a man as you would like to marry, right? Such was his love for her that he gave up the throne in order to marry her. Such was the intensity of her grief that she could not even weep मतलब रोना. इतना इंटेंसिटी था उसका कि वो रो भी नहीं पा रही थी, राइट? सो एज ही इज नॉट सो ब्रेव एज यू थिंक. as he is as brave as a lion. As and so. As you sow, so shall you reap. This is a proverb, right? जैसा आप बोओगे वैसा ही आप उसका फल पाओगे. As the child is, so is the man. So that she sang so sweetly that the whole hall resounded with cheers. The speech was so moving that all eyes became wet. The speech was so good that everybody was so impressed. Scarcely, that is hardly, when. Scarcely or hardly had we stepped out when we got drenched. मतलब तू एकदम ही हम लोग बाहर निकले ही थे कि we got drenched. Drenched मतलब भीग गए. इतनी बारिश जोरदार थी, right? She had hardly recovered from malaria when she met with an accident. वो जस्ट मलेरिया से रिकवर हुई थी और उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया. नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो शी कैन स्पीक नॉट ओनली फ्रेंच बट जर्मन ऑल्सो. द रूम वॉज नॉट ओनली कोल्ड बट डैम्प ऑल्सो. No sooner did I begin my homework than the lights went off. No sooner do the clouds appear in the sky than the peacocks began to dance. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. The Buddha taught dash desires lead to sorrow. That desires lead to sorrow. The king's heart was full of love both for men and for animals. He was so powerful that nobody dared to oppose him. She was such a beautiful lady that I could not take my eyes off her. The mosquito begins its life in water, as many other insects do. When I did not know French, I could not understand his speech. My bat has been either lost or stolen. I sent him an email message so that they might get the information in time. Fill in the blanks with one of the conjunctions given in the brackets. No sooner had the flight taken off than the engine began. Engine developed a snag, right? The bracket में आपको दिए हैं conjunctions, उसमें से proper conjunction आप use करो. तो आपको दिया है when, while and then. तो then is a more proper one, right? The function began as soon as the chief guest arrived. She was so tired that she at once fell asleep. Keep walking until you reach the station. The train was derailed, but no one was hurt. We had got into the port before the storm came on. I shall go if you accompany me. Okay. Now here exercise 3, I shall read out first 3 sentences, answers to first 3 sentences, and then focus the camera on the answer key so that you can copy it down. You can pause the video if you want, as we had been doing earlier. I'll repeat the same way, right? Rewrite these sentences using the conjunctions given in the brackets. अब bracket में आपको conjunctions दिए हैं, उनको use करके you have to change these sentences, right? Both the chairman and the members are attending the meeting, as well as आपको use करना है. The chairman as well as the members are attending the meeting. Is का R का R ही रहेगा. The chairman as well as the members are attending the meeting. Your action is just, but it is not kind. Although use करना है. Although your action is just, it is not kind. It is not kind, comma आएगा बीच में. He will help you if you request him. Unless you request him, he will not help you. Right? Or he won't help you. That you can use. He won't help you unless you request him. ये भी correct है. Now 4, 5 and 6 you will do it in the homework. And I will just focus the camera on the answers. You can just pause it and you can take it down. 4, 5 and 6. If we don't understand a problem clearly, how can we solve it? I have nothing to fear, for I am innocent. This cloth is not only cheap but also durable. But durable also. ऐसा भी use कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now let us move on to joining sentences with the help of conjunctions. We can join short sentences with conjunctions, but we should be careful in the choice of the conjunction to be used. A wrong conjunction would either make the sentence look absurd or convey a meaning different from one we wanted to convey. Let us take some examples. Daniel was very wise. The king did not trust him. There is a contrast between the two statements, right? Daniel was wise, पर उसको फिर भी वो trust करता नहीं था. So contrast के लिए आप क्या use करोगे? A wise man should have been trusted, but the king did not trust Daniel. So we should use some conjunction suggesting contrast, but yet still, although ये सारे contrasting conjunctions है. Daniel was very wise, yet the king did not trust him. Although Daniel was very wise, the king did not trust him. We took a taxi for the stadium. We did not want to get late for the game, right? अब उसका reason दिया है, यहाँ पे reason suggest हो रहा है. Here, the second statement expresses the purpose of the action mentioned in the first statement. So we should use a conjunction suggesting a purpose, so that, lest, etc. We took a taxi for the stadium so that we might not get late for the game. We took a taxi for the stadium lest we should get late for the game. Note that we have to make suitable changes while framing our sentence. Yes, अगर singular का plural कहीं पे हो रहा है तो आपको is का r करना पड़ेगा, वो आपको देखना है, ध्यान रखना है, right? Now exercise 4, join the following pairs of sentences using conjunctions from the ones given below, right? आपको ये box में conjunctions दिए, उनको use करके इन sentences को join करना है. Do not be unfair. Do not tolerate unfairness. राइट अब इसमें से कौन सा कंजंक्शन इसमें प्रॉपर रहेगा? नाइदर बी अनफेयर नॉर टॉलरेट अनफेयरनेस, राइट? सो क्या सेंटेंस बनेगा? नाइदर बी अनफेयर नॉर टॉलरेट अनफेयरनेस. He got his first salary. He took his mother to a doctor. right? So what type of conjunction you will use? As soon as will be a appropriate one. As soon as he got his first salary, he took his mother to a doctor. Now third one, the reviews were not very good. I went to see the movie. Although आएगा यहाँ पर, although the reviews were not very good, I went to see the movie. It is a contrast which is being shown. Now 4, 5, 6 and 7 you will do it in homework. यहाँ पे आपको बॉक्स में कंजंक्शंस दिए हुए हैं, कौन सा सुटेबली यहाँ पे बैठ रहा है वो आप सेलेक्ट करके कर सकते हो. आई एम जस्ट फोकसिंग द कैमरा ऑन द आंसर की, so you can take down the answers from that, right? See, fourth one diya hai, you will never progress in life unless you change your attitude. His oratorial skills were so great that everybody sitting in the hall was moved to tears. We decided not to venture into the forest, for it was infested with wild animals. Your complaints are genuine, but I don't have the power to do anything, right? So now here we'll finish the lesson conjunctions, right? This is the last exercise of the lesson, and then we shall start with lesson 16, direct, indirect. So let us move on to lesson 16, direct, indirect.